Why does your scanner show the P0775 engine code? What does it mean? P0775 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid B malfunction. This engine code indicates that this solenoid is part of the automatic transmission system and is responsible for regulating fluid pressure to control gear shifts. When the PCM detects an issue with this solenoid, under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty pressure control solenoid, low or dirty transmission fluid, electrical problems, mechanical issues, other potential factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan Altima, Honda Civic, and Ford Explorer. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.